Hello students, in today's class we are going to talk about CRM. CRM is the abbreviation of Customer Relationship Management. What is Customer Relationship Management? Customer Relationship Management is a technology used by the companies for managing all the relationships and interactions with their customers, that is current customers and potential customers. In this process, companies collect the information about their customers, and that information help them to build a good relationships with their current customer and potential customers. The ultimate goal or objective of customer relationship management is to improve the business relationships. Customer relationship system helps the companies to stay connected with their customers, streamline processes, and improve the business relationships that help them to increase the profitability position of the organization. In other words, customer relationship management is a business strategy that aims to understand, anticipate, and manage the needs of an organization's current and potential customers. So, it is a strategy used by the business organization for understanding and managing the needs of the customers. So, here in this process, first they understand what are the needs of the customers and they make sure that they will manage those needs by which it will help them to maintain a good relationships with their customers, current customers and potential customers. So it is a comprehensive approach which provides seamless integration of every area of business which touches with the customer at the time of marketing, sales, customer service and field support through the integration of three important elements, that is people, process and technology. So in this process, in this activities of marketing, sales or any other activity where customers interact with the employees of the organization, and during this process employees collect the information about the customers, and that information help them to prepare a strategy for their business organization. And it is CRM can be done through the integration of three important elements of CRM, that is people in the sense employees working for CRM system, processes followed for CRM and the technology located to follow these processes. So this CRM process work through the integration of these three important elements of CRM. So now let's understand one definition of customer relationship management. According to Philip Kotler and Gray Armstrong, CRM is concerned with managing detailed information about individual customers and all customer touchpoints to maximize customer loyalty. So according to this definition, CRM is mainly used for managing or improving the customer relationship by which organization can earn or they can maximize the customer loyalty. So in this process, what they do, they collect the detailed information about the individual customers at the time of customer touchpoints. Now the question is, what is touchpoints? A customer touchpoints is the occasion or the situation where the customer encounters the brand and product, from actual experience to personal or mass communications to casual observations. So it is a situation or occasion where customers interact with the company, interact with the product, interact with the employees, and during this process the organizations collect the information about the customers while communicating with them, while providing services with them, is providing services to the customers. Now for example, say for a hotel the touch points include reservations. So when you give a call to hotel for a reservation, you have to give certain information to the receptionist. Receptionists collect the information about their customers and they maintain a proper database for each and every customers who have interacted with them or who have communicated with them. So in this process they create a proper database or information, and that will help them to prepare a proper customer relationship management. So along with reservations, other touchpoints include check-in, check-out, frequent stay programs, room service, laundry service, restaurant, bars. So all these are the touchpoints include in the hotel where the customers has to interact with the employees of the hotel. Now let us understand what are the purposes or need of CRM. CRM enables companies to provide excellent real-time customer service through the effective use of individual account information, and based on what they know about each customer, they can create a customized market offerings, services, programs, messages, and media, and that will create or that will help to create a good customer value. So first need or the objective of CRM is what? Creating value for customers over long term. Now customer value is nothing but perceived customer value, which is the difference between what customers are paying to purchase the goods and services and what benefit they have received. So if the customer perceived value is more, then that will be like the objective which organization has achieved in creating good value for customers, and the same has to maintain for a longer period of time, and this will leads to the becomes with the help of this customer become happy. So if you are succeed in creating a good value to the customer become happy, and happy customer will make sure that he will or she will be a loyal customer to your organizations, because happy customers less likely to become a disloyal. Okay, and if they are not going if they are not shifting your company, that is from your company to other company, then they will make sure that they will be the loyal customer to your organization for a longer period of time. But for that you need to create a good customer value for a long period of time. Okay, and this creating a good customer value becomes the competitive advantage over competitors, because CRM provides the information for all the departments in the organization, and with the help of that information the marketers or come up with the goods and services which satisfy the needs, wants and demands of the customers, which leads to customer satisfaction or creating a good value for customers. So these are the ultimate purposes or need of customer relationship management. So when you implement the customer relationship management as a business organization or as a manager of a business organization, you need to pay attention on certain questions, core questions. First one is, what is the core business and how will it evolve? So first you need to answer the question like, what is your core business? What exactly your business does? What is your operation process or business organization? What are the mission, vision of your organization? What strategies you have prepared for your business organization for present as well as in future, where your business organization you want to see in the future. So all these things you need to know before you go for the implementation of customer relationship management. The next question is, what form of CRM is appropriate for your organization now and in future? So you should know well in advance what kind of CRM system you wanted to have in your organization for present and in the future. So you have to you have to prepare a proper plan for that. The next one, information technology infrastructure the organizations has at present and future. So what kind of information technology the organization has and what are the measures you are taking to have a good infrastructure facility, that is IT infrastructure in future, that you need to pay attention, because relationship management is completely depend on the information technology infrastructure. So you have to make sure that you will create a good, or you will have a good information technology infrastructure in your organization, and what vendors and partners we need to choose also you need to decide well in advance. So all these questions the manager has to answer, or as a business organization we have to think before we go for implementation of customer relationship management. There are three phases of customer relationship management. The first phase, acquiring customer relationships, that is base for new customer relationships. Second one, enhancing existing customer relationships. Now customer will not come to you without making any effort, so you have to make sure that you will create an effort, you will perform any activities, or you will prepare a strategies which will help you to increase the number of customers, or increase the relationship with the existing customers, because the existing or current customers will not be with you for a longer period of time unless and until you are giving in return something to the customers. So you have to make sure that you will provide goods and services which will help to maintain a good relationship with the current customers for a longer period of time. And the third phase is retaining customer relationships, and you have to also make sure that you will retain the customers relationship for a longer period of time. So these are the three phases of customer relationship management. Okay, I hope now you understood what is customer relationship management. So customer relationship management is a process where the detailed information about the customers will be collected by the organizations, and that will help them to maximize the customer loyalty. Okay, in the next class we will be discussing about the benefits or advantages of customer relationship management. Okay, thank you.